Hello students, how are you all? Okay, this is the first class after our vacation. So today I am starting with a new chapter, symmetry. Children, what is the meaning of symmetry? Observe the figure, observe the leaf shown alongside. See, there is a leaf. Okay, I hope it is clear. Take another leaf like this one. So I have taken a leaf. Okay children, which has many veins. Veins means what? These are the veins. Okay, these lines are known as veins. In the middle there is a vein that runs the full length of the leaf. See, this is a vein. Okay, this runs full length, means it starts from here and it gets over here and middle of the leaf. Okay, now fold the leaf. So let us fold the leaf. Okay, I am trying to fold the leaf. Okay children, I have taken a medium sized leaf of a money plant. So you can see, as I fold the leaf, what do you see? One part of the leaf falls exactly the other. Means when you fold it, see, when you fold it, it folds into equal parts. Okay, one fold falls on the other fold. So this is the first one fold, this is the second fold. Now the one fold falls on the other fold and it, see, what do you see? One part of the leaf does not fall exactly on the other. Acha. One part of the leaf falls exactly on the other part. See, it folds exactly. Okay, see. But if you fold the leaf in different way, does it fall on the equal, on the second part at? No. See, there are extra parts because this is a smaller portion and this is a broader portion, right children? But when you fold it this way, it falls exactly on the second fold. Okay, now let me give one more example. Let me show you. Now let us start with our second activity. Take a triangle piece of paper as shown alongside. Fold it along the dotted line. See, I am making a dotted line right from the point. Okay children. Now, one second. I hope it's clear. Yes. Now let us fold it. Okay children. So what happens when you fold it properly? So what happens? Can you see the second part? No. Can you see the second part? No children, because this is a symmetrical figure. Basically symmetrical मतलब, symmetrical means दोनों पार्ट सेम होते हैं, part 1 and part 2. When you close it, you cannot see the second part. Okay, you can't see the lower part. Why children? Because this is a symmetrical figure. This is a symmetrical figure. Now let us take, this is our first symmetrical figure. This is our first symmetrical figure. This is our second symmetrical figure. Now let us see one more example. See, this is a square. Now let us fold it. Okay children. So what happens? This is part A. This is part B. Can you see part B? No. When the part A falls on the part B, you cannot see the part B, right children? So these are symmetrical figures, okay, because they are having same shape. That's why whenever you fold this way, you cannot see the second part because the first part is covering the second part. Then when you fold it this way, okay, this is part C, this is part, the lower part is part D. Can you see it? Can you see, this is C. Can you see the D part? No, because this is a symmetrical figure. But now let me show an example of asymmetrical figure. Now I have taken a triangle. Okay, this is also a triangle as shown in this figure. Okay, now fold it on the dotted line. See, the dotted line starts from here. Okay, and let us do some shading over here. Okay, so we can find out whether it is covering the second part or not. This is the first part. Now let us see the, okay, I have covered the part A. Now let us see. If I fold it this way, right children, is it covering the lower part? No, because this is smaller and this is larger, right? This is a bigger part and this is the smaller part. So whenever the smaller part covers the larger part, it cannot cover the entire part. No, it just covers a small part. Okay, so this is a asymmetrical figure. मतलब जो figure ये छोटा है, ये बड़ा है. अब ये छोटा जब इसको कवर करता है, कभी भी हम कोई भी छोटी चीज से बड़ी चीज को छुपा सकते हैं, कवर कर सकते हैं? नहीं. इक्वल कर सकते हैं. इक्वल से हम एक के नीचे एक रख सकते हैं, राइट? जैसे प्लेट्स रखते हैं हम. ओके, नोटबुक के ऊपर सेम साइज के आप नोटबुक रखोगे तो वो सिमिलर दिखेगा. ओके, नीचे के पार्ट्स नहीं दिखेंगे. पर अगर आप लॉन्ग बुक और शॉर्ट बुक साथ में रखोगे, सो दे obviously you can see the long book, no, because short book will not cover the full book. Okay, so if the two parts of a figure made by a line fall exactly one another, then the figure is said to be symmetrical about that line. And if the two parts do not fall exactly on one another, like this figure, this is a asymmetrical figure because this is small and this is big. It is uneven. This is equal. This is even. Whenever you close it, you're getting falls on the second part and covers the second part. Okay, even this is same. Okay, this is also asymmetrical example, but if you do this way, it is this is symmetrical example because it is covering the lower part. But if you fold it this way, then this is asymmetrical. Okay children, kindly take your pencil. Some of the following figures are symmetrical about the given dotted line and some are not. Observe them carefully. Now they have given few examples. Okay children, now first this shape, this is asymmetrical. Okay, this is symmetrical. Okay, because if you fold it this way, so you cannot see the lower part, so this is symmetrical. This figure is not symmetrical because if you take around this shape and if you cover it this way, what happens children? If you fold it from here, what happens? If you fold, both the parts are not equal, so it will not fall on each other. Now this is a kite. Okay, so when you fold the kite from middle, obviously it is a symmetrical figure. But if you fold the kite from here, from the lower part, if you fold it, will it cover? No, because this part is larger than the lower part is larger than the upper part. Okay, even mango is also not symmetrical. Okay, even this is not symmetrical. See, here the dotted lines are there. If you fold this part with this part, it will become non-symmetrical. Now rangolis. Okay, in Diwali you make rangolis, no? So if you see, there are this dotted line, and if you fold it this way or this way, this is symmetrical because all four parts are of same shape. Okay, then non-symmetrical. These shapes are different. See, here the shape is different, here the shape is different. So when you will fold them from this line, they will not fall on each other. Okay, they will be, because of they are different shapes. So basically जिनके शेप सिमिलर होते हैं उनको सिमेट्रिकल कहते हैं. ओके, और जिनके शेप सेम नहीं होते, अलग अलग होते हैं. ओके, ये अलग है. अगर आप लीफ को ऐसे फोल्ड करोगे तो वो अलग है. अगर आप ये काइट को ऐसे फोल्ड करोगे तो वो अलग है. हाँ, so they are known as not symmetrical. Okay, children. Please go to page number 48. Now this example, see the first example, this is also symmetrical because this is a circle. You know, circle can be folded from infinite side, means from different side. If there is a center, okay, if the circle has a center and if you fold it, so it will fall equal on the second part. Okay, because two parts are equal. Then even this is A. Okay, both the parts are divided into, both the sides are divided into equal parts. So this is also symmetrical. Now G. See, the shape is different. Here it is semicircle and here it is G, no? So the shape gets cut over here. So this is not symmetrical. Even Y. See, Y is also symmetrical because when first part will fall on the second part. Okay. Then Z is not symmetrical. Okay, because here the Z side, here the opening is this side and here the opening is this side. So when you close it, when it will fall on each other, it will be not symmetrical. Please take your pencil and I want you to solve the activity with me. Determine whether the figure given below are symmetrical about any line or not. Put the tick below the right and if it is symmetrical and cross if it is not. Okay, if it is symmetrical means दोनों साइड इक्वल है, एक दूसरे के ऊपर इक्वली गिरेंगे तो आपको टिक मार्क करना है, और अगर इक्वली नहीं गिरेंगे तो आपको क्या करना है, क्रॉस करना है. बटरफ्लाई, सी, both the parts are equal, both the parts are equal, so you will tick mark. Now 2, इसके दोनों पार्ट सेम है. यहाँ तो देखो यहाँ ऐसे हो गया, so both the parts are equal. ओके, अब ये 2 है, 2 को अगर हम ऐसे करेंगे तो दोनों इक्वल आएगा नहीं, so you will cross it. Now this is a hexagon. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 साइड्स है हेक्सागन के. ऐसे करोगे तो भी इक्वल होगा, अगर ऐसे करोगे तो भी इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड होगा, अगर ऐसे करोगे तो भी इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड होगा. सो दिस इज अ सिमेट्रिकल फिगर. L. Is L a symmetrical figure? No, it is not a symmetrical figure because this side it is L. One side it is closed and one side it is open. So when the first side will fall on the other side, there is no side only. So it is not equal. Then X, if you divide it this way, then also it will be equal on both the side. If you divide it this way, then also it will fall equally on the other side. H, see, so this is X. H is also equal. When you fold first part on the second part, you will get equal measures. So this is also a symmetrical figure. For each of the figures below, draw a line along with you would fold the figure to show that it is symmetrical. Now there are figures. Now you have to show whether it is symmetrical or not. Let's see. See, this aeroplane is symmetrical. Equal है. दोनों sides are equal. Now this star. This is also equal. ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. जब भी close करोगे, it will be equal on both the sides. So both are symmetrical. Now this leaf. Even I showed you, no, leaf. When it falls on the second part, it covers the second part. So it is equal. Okay. Then you can draw. 8 also, if you divide it this way, you will get a symmetrical figure. Okay, children. Now moving ahead. In each of the symmetrical figures given below, color the two symmetrical parts in different colors. So I will use a pencil. Don't use colors and all. Use pencil. अभी हम लोग को इनको इक्वल दिखाना, तो पहले हम ऐसे लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे और एक पार्ट को शेड कर लेंगे. Now this is a rectangle. So I will divide it into half and then I will do shading. Okay, children. Then I will take a triangle and I will shade the one part. Okay, children. Then this part. See, all are symmetrical figures because दोनों sides same है. हाँ, both the sides are equal. Okay, so we have to shade one part. Now take a square piece of paper, examine its symmetrical by folding it in different ways. I showed you, na? Square paper, fold it. First fold, second fold, third fold, fourth fold. कितने भी fold करो, it will be always symmetrical. If you do this way also, it will be symmetrical. Right, children? So you can do small activities at home and try. Now moving ahead to page number 49. I'm just explaining it. There is nothing much to worry. So you can closed figure and open figure. What is the meaning of closed figure? See, there is a house and this is it. This is the boundary wall. Okay. Here the gate is closed. So this is a closed figure. Okay. Same house when the door is open. So it is a open figure. Okay, children. Now see, mango. Now this three shapes. They are closed figure. There is no opening, no? Can you find any mouth or any door which is open or any part, any side which is open? No. So some closed figure. Some open figure. What is the meaning of open figure? See, there is a pot. You can put something inside. In this, you cannot put anything. This is closed. Okay, this is packed. There is no opening. And this is an open figure when you can pour water, you can store something in the box. Right, children? So this is an open figure and a closed figure example. Okay, for example, your water bottle. You can open it and pour water inside. No, you can fill water inside. So that is a open figure. Okay, example. But mango, watermelon, when you have not cut them, they are closed figure. Okay, anything which is closed is known as closed figure. Anything which has an opening is known as open figure. Can we join point A and B with a line that does not touch the given figure? Can we join point A and B with a line that does not touch the given figure. Can you join this? वो लोग कह रहे हैं पॉइंट ए है, अभी इनका ही एग्जाम्पल है, सम क्लोज्ड फिगर एंड ओपन फिगर का. ये पॉइंट ए को आपको पॉइंट बी से ज्वाइन करना है. कैन यू ज्वाइन देम विदाउट टचिंग दिस लाइन? नो. अगर डोर खुला ही नहीं होगा तो कोई कैसे किसी को बाहर आके टच करेगा, राइट? सो दिस इज क्लोज. कैन वी ज्वाइन बी एंड सी? अभी ये बाहर है. कैन वी ज्वाइन बी एंड सी? यस, वी कैन ज्वाइन बी एंड सी, बट वी कैन नॉट ज्वाइन ए एंड बी, राइट चिल्ड्रन? कैसे ज्वाइन करेंगे? ये अंदर है, ये बाहर है, बट ये लोग दोनों ही बाहर है. थिंक, दिस इज जस्ट यू हैव टू think. Now there is an example of open figure. Can we join points P and F with a line that does not touch the given figure? Can you join with a line? Yes, we can join because this is an open figure. Can we join point P and M in the same way? Yes, we can join point P and M in the same way because it is a. Find the open and closed figure from those given below. Now tell me, this is a open figure or a closed figure? This is a open figure, right children? Then this one. This is a closed figure. See, there is a opening, no? But this diya is a closed figure. See, there is no opening. Then this. So you write open, O-P-E-N, open, close, C-L-O-S-E-D. Here the spellings are there. Please don't do any spelling mistake. Read and solve it. Figures. Now this one. This shape. This is a open figure or closed figure? It is a open figure. See, here also it is open, here also it is open. Then this is a closed figure. D, this is a closed figure. M, this is a open figure. You can see, you can't go inside, but here it is opening, so we can go here. Play hide and seek in the open figure. Okay. Observe the closed and open figure in the rangolis shown here. Color the rangolis. Okay. See what we will do. For open figure we will write O, and for closed figure we can do. Okay, what we will do, you know, I will change the activity for you. This is your activity. You're going to do all the open figures. You will not color. Okay, don't color. Don't color. Okay. And closed figure, do red and yellow color. Okay, or any color, whichever. Now I'm not having color, so I will show you. See, this is a closed figure, so we will do coloring. This is a closed figure, so we will do coloring. This is the closed figure. Okay, so all the closed figure you're going to use red and yellow color or your favorite colors. Okay children, see. Okay, and here also. So this is closed figure, so you can color. रंगोली में भी हम बाउंड्री करते हैं ना कि हमारा कलर बाहर नहीं जाए, अच्छे से फिल करते हैं. So use your favorite color and do this activity. This is a very simple and fun chapter, basically to make you understand symmetrical, not symmetrical, and closed and open figures. Okay. Kindly solve page number 47, 48, 49. Okay, there are few activities on page number 48 and 49. So this you are going to solve in the at home, and you are going to send it in the school group. Okay, those who are sending homework, they will be marked present, and those who are not sending their work, we will mark them absent. So students, start completing your work and send them in the school group. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.